Hey adventurers, welcome back to Roving Nomads. Today we're diving into one of Arkansas's hidden gems, Blanchard Springs Caverns. It has amazing underground formations and stunning waterfalls all nestled in the Ozarks. This place really blew us away. We hiked, we explored the cave system, and of course enjoyed the beautiful waterfall. So grab your hiking boots and a jacket because it's kind of chilly down there, and let's go explore Blanchard Springs.